Malhotra. That's spelled P as in Peter, A, V as in Victor, E, N as in Nancy. Last name is Malhotra.
What's your reaction?
Can you just tell us what you think about this, quote, narrow restricted order?
Well, in our view, we think that there was no gag order that was necessary in this case. And if a gag order was going to be issued, it should be very narrowly tailored. We have to look at the gag order more carefully, but my initial reaction is that it seems to sweep broader than what's necessary based upon the facts of this case.
And what are the facts? What did you argue?
Well, the problem with this case is that this is a case that everybody in the community wants to know about, and everybody in the community deserves to know about, because it involves allegations of police misconduct, for example. And as a result of that, it's crucial for the media to have access to trial participants, such as lawyers, who can explain the strategy and who can explain what they're doing in the case. And the judge has an error in his order, so there will be some access to trial participants. But based upon what we've heard, we would have hoped that greater access would have been provided to trial participants so that the media and the public better understand what was actually happening and what is going to happen in this case.
What is the access now?
It seems pretty broad, as I said. There's about 10 different categories of information that the attorneys are going to be restricted in how they can communicate about those things with the press. I have to say I was surprised. There is case law which suggests that when you have a case in a large metropolitan area, and Oakland certainly qualifies for that there's less need for restrictions on what police can say. But this case is somewhat unique insofar as the fact that the Defense Counsel in this case released the names of various witnesses, and the court was afraid that because these witnesses' identities had been revealed, that perhaps threats would be placed upon them, or pressure would be placed upon them, and as a result of that, there would not be a fair trial. So, it's somewhat understandable from where the court is coming from, but we would have hoped for a perhaps more narrow gag order.
Yeah, you seem to place a lot of blame on the defense for this gag order. What was your reaction to that?
Well, the only thing the court mentioned today as, prompting the gag order in the first place is the fact that